Alright, so today I am going to be getting tools from my dad's job so that I can change my axle on the left side because, well, that's the right side. On the right side because my axle's probably been needed to be replaced for a couple of months now. It's really bad and all you hear is clunking the whole time I'm driving, so it's pretty scary and it's probably long overdue. But before I go out there, I need to pick up my girlfriend because she's not here right now and she wants to come and tag along for the journey. So let's get her first. I'm just now pulling up. Let's turn this off. It's a cold day out. Now just gotta sit and wait for her to come out that door. Maybe if I rev a little bit. There she is, taking her sweet old time. She doesn't know that I'm in a freaking hurry. So she's like, I'm gonna take my time, I'm gonna take my time. Take forever. Doesn't know how to get somewhere fast, so look at that.
Young Draco on the beat.
So I'm at my mom's house because I needed to get the jack from here that I left. So now we are on our way back to my dad's so I can finally fix my axle that I've been waiting to fix forever. What do we get?
I don't know. Parts?
We just got the tools for the axle, so now we're about to go get lunch.
Because I'm hungry.
As always. What do you want?
I'm gonna have a whole baby in me.
What is that? Oh, you're pregnant. Chinese?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go get Chinese food now. So we're leaving now, and I'm not full.
I thought you said you were.
I'm kidding, I am. But we're gonna go get
He didn't like his
some
food.
smoothies.
Stop mine.
Well, she already has a smoothie. I'm going to go get a smoothie from the place I like because mine are better than hers. And I have to pay for it anyway, so
Yours
I can
aren't
buy it
even-
if I want to.
Yours aren't even cold.
Yes, they are cold.
Shut up. Yours are
And
ugly
we're-
anyways, so don't even.
Anyways, I'm gonna ignore that.
You gonna kill me? I'm gonna tell you.
You didn't even lock the door. Why was mine unlocked?
Why would I? Oh, I thought you meant just lock my door.
Yeah, so they can rob my side and not rob her
Whatever.
side. Yeah,
No,
let's
I
just do
could have
that.
sworn you were like, oh, lock your door. I was like, oh, okay. So I just locked mine.
Nah, I'm gonna just let them rob my side of the car.
Whatever.
Anyways, we're off to Smoothie King, not Bunk Cinnabon. Alright, so I've got my wheel off so far, and just wanted to show you guys something. Never let your car get like this. Yeah, my axle boot is ripped, so that's kind of how I knew something is up with the axle. That is a very bad no-no, and it's been rusted so bad too. But I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff off, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, now I gotta start by getting off this axle. While we have big boy kit. I'm gonna need, I think this was a 27. Gotta put this cotter pin out. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. Alright, I got some pliers. See if that does the trick. Hey, I got it. Just a crusty old cotter pin that won't focus, but yeah, I got it out. So on to the next step. Let's see if this one fits. There we go. Probably gonna need an extension on it. And make sure you have your car in gear for this. This is going to be harder than I thought. Expensive. It's usually easier if you have wheels, so you can set it on the ground. This isn't gonna work. So if you ever have this trouble, just put the wheel back on, drop the car, then try it from that. That way it won't spin from the weight of the car. So I think it's working out. So I'm working on getting the nut off. As you can see, it's finally free. And there's always this little pesky washer right there. Usually get something to stick behind it, like some pliers or something. Maybe some screwdrivers will help. Alright, next we have to work on getting the assembly for the strut off so that we can actually get to the axle. And luckily it's loose enough to where I don't have to do all this stuff to it. It's already loose, so I have to smack it with a hammer. So let's work on that. Still too small. It has to be 19. And there we go. Now, the actual bolt itself. is probably going to be a little bit smaller, and it is in fact a 17. So I'm going to work on getting these off. That's probably tightening it. Probably gonna have to get alignment anyways, but just make sure, mark it if you want. And of course it's a different size on the bottom, so let's just slow me down a little more. Right size. There we go. Alright, so that video was made a couple of days ago, almost been a week. Well, it's been over a week, but the reason why I didn't get to finish the video is because my girlfriend actually had her baby. So I've been focusing on that more, and I really haven't had time to edit, nor have I had time to actually do stuff on my car, because I've been not driving it because my car is a two-seater, so I don't have the space to fit a kid. So I've been driving my dad's car, and eventually I will get my own. So hopefully that'll be sometime soon. But if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe. This is my first video, so I'm hoping to do very big things with this channel, and I'll see you guys later.